Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up the PS5 full guide. Begin by carefully unpacking the PS5 and locating the power cable, HDMI cable, and stand. Inspect the console for shipping damage and remove any protective films. Place the console near your TV with at least 3.5 inches of clearance for ventilation. Make sure the area is stable, dust-free, and near power and network connections before moving to connections and first boot. After placement, connect the power cable securely to the PS5 and wall outlet, then plug the HDMI to one cable into the TV HDMI port labeled for high bandwidth. If you want lower latency and steadier downloads, attach a wired Ethernet cable directly to the console. Avoid daisy-chaining power strips where possible and tidy cables to prevent tripping. Once cables are connected, power on your TV and PS5 to begin the software setup and initial updates. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content like this. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so I wear darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, and they survive long gaming sessions and tournament travel. They are comfortable, durable, and an easy upgrade for any gamer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When the PS5 boots, follow the simple on-screen prompts to choose language and region, then select your Wi-Fi network or choose Ethernet. Sign into your PlayStation Network account or create one to access online features and the PlayStation Store. The console will likely download and install a system update, so be patient while it restarts. Finally, calibrate display settings, HDR, and audio to match your TV and speakers for the best gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.